Hi, my name is Apurva, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a class. So let's start with this video. Navigate here to calendar, click on create, select event, and then type in your details. I'll just name it as yoga class. In calendar, you can select who is going to host this particular class, yourself or the other team members. So you can be able to select it. Now you can select the date and time here, duration here. If you want this class to happen on a recurring basis, you can click on this and you can click on custom and select the recurring days when you want this to happen. Now I just want this to happen only once and this to happen different series. So I'll add a series to this. Now you can add address also here. If this is going to happen in location, you can select the address by clicking on this drop down. And if you want this to happen remotely, you can click on conference solution and select the remote like Google Meet or Zoom and then click on save. Now your class has been successfully created. Now, if you want to add any of the comment anytime, you can click on add comment and add it. If you want this event, the class to have different series, you can just click on create series and add different one. So once I click on add series, this will get added because I have added it on April 2nd. Now I can add another series to this on 3rd of April on what the same time that is there and for the same duration. Then click on create. So two series have been added. I'll add another series on 4th on the same time and date. Now this particular class had different series here. Now I can be able to add attendees also from here. So just click on add and add them. So I'll add it like this. Now if you want to send them any message at any point in time, you can just click on send message and send message to them. If you want to export their details of the attendees in the CSV file, you can just be able to click on export and export it. Now scroll to up. There's an online registration page here. So online registration page is something if you want this to be visible in your storefront and so that the people who are looking forward to book a class with you, they can be able to do so. So now click on configure and this is the registration page. This is the link to your particular class, that is their yoga class. You can put the event details here. So let me do so. Now you can be able to put the capacity as well here. So if you want the capacity to be 100 or 200, so those many people will only be able to register. Now when they register, if you want to send them any confirmation message, you can type in here and this confirmation message will be sent to them. And as you can see, I have added three series here. This is visible here. Now if you scroll here, this gives you an option to share. Like you can copy the link and share it. You can share it via Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or email. Now, if you want the visibility as in public, so this public means this will be visible in your storefront. If you don't want it, you can keep it as unlisted and you can share the link with your people whom you want to share this link and they'll be able to book it. I'll make it as public. Now you can add the cover image also. So I can be able to add in cover image. I have an image here. If you don't have one, you can just click on upload new asset, click on web search and you can type in like if you want to select any image from here, this will give you a suggestion here like this. So these are the suggestions coming here. I can just select it and this will be added. So let me add this. So now this will be added here in my registration page once someone tries to book and class with me. So let me show you how this will look like. Click on select. This will give me an option to crop my image. So I'll just select this. Okay. Then click on save and then this is added. Now what I'll do is I'll also add an form so that if someone tries to book with me, they'll have to fill a form as well. So now if you see a registration form here, you can click on manage and you can select the intake form as well. I want to collect data which is name and phone number. If you want custom form also to be created, you can click on create new and create it. Now all the notifications will be sent via Yotl, that is from email and SMS, and it is based on the schedule that you have, the reminders that you have in your Yotl account as per the calendar settings. Now once everything is done, you can just click on save and this will be saved. Now let me show you how this looks in your storefront if someone comes to your storefront and try to book it. So you can click on your storefront and this will show you here. So this is my storefront basically, and you can see I have an upcoming event here. So if I click on view details, you can see all the details here, which the cover image comes here and the name of my event. It also gives you an option to share event, and all the detail is here. And as you can see, I have different series also of this particular class, so it is also showing here the price of this class, and also this will give in form so that the details will be collected, and they can just fill it the details here, the card number, and they can register. And once they register, they'll get a confirmation message from your side, and whenever someone registers, you also get notified that someone has registered. So this is how you can be able to create a class and manage the class here in Yotl. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any further queries, you can reach out to us at hello@yotl.com. Thank you.